was going to
Also relaxing.
Relax our legs.
Hello. Hey, Pula.
Nayo phezu kwepayipi ngevenoti ikhala ngayo vula kunengithi
ake ngizodubula le nto
No, Usama, I think Usama.
uthi vula lapho
I'll mind you go.
emfethu ya ngiyayidla
No, I'll mind you go.
udubula le nto le
Sibonelo siphi isibhamu sakho dokotela?
Well, I'm reflecting when I say how many people must be like is a flash. What drugs?
What if you shoot?
sosuke sifuna i-ID
Bob. Ufonela ndona hayi.
sifuna nje ukungena sosuke simfuna i-ID
Yo.
There's something.
ikola but like we should
But the good conversation.
What if it doesn't have an ID?
Sibona lezi.
ndikhiwe ngesikhathi phakathi kuphela Ukukala ngakini uzove ngoba isingelelanga manje vula ngoba vele nje one of the other vula la idrone akabani yakhe hayi somukisa emvula la oh yini akuna ndaba ne hayi nje soyinyathela asina ndaba ne bulala wena
Nasenza usathile ngeSPC.
ngazo lezi
Singekho understand.
Ngeke man.
Abuzulu naye waboshwa ngayo lento lokuyenza.
uphume kanjani
Ngihamba
ubuyeleni
No, angithi bese kuphumile tank elikhulu leli.
lo wayiboshiwe uphume kanjani ubuyeleni
Angazi kuyo ngasho ukuphuma kanjani kodwa besilola le tank. Awusangiboni.
Hayi number one.
Sishayisile sibona sithi awungeke phela ama colleagues nawo la.
Hayi number one.
Safuna ukubona ukuthi uvulelise.
Oh.
Ayabe sekithi ngena kulo le window asayivuleka.
Hayi man.
Oh yeah.
Khona la.
Alobu sayaphola izinto hayi ngiyesazibana. Kusho njalo. Lena sayithatha kakhulu.
Hayi.
North is electrified. So manje uma uzocela ugesi kithi in the informal settlement that is electrified, siye singakuzwa kahle ukuthi uthini. Kuyofuneka uzokhuluma eduzane sikuzwe kahle. So ingakho ke sigcine sivumelana ukuthi asize la ungcono. Ngoba the last time I was here mina sasisa electrify la. So yayingakabikho yonke lama stands amanye ngale ngaphezulu. So now ngitheke kuzofuneka sivumelane colleagues ukuze sikwazi ukusebenza. I-team will guide me, but the easiest way which is recognize any section as another informal settlement, because immediately you call it Ekenhof. Tina we have closed the project of electrification for Ekenhof because the electrification is done. Kodwa manje you've got more than 2,000 shacks aseka khona laphana adinga electrification, and ungabonile ama illegal connections maningi, and which is unfortunate ukuthi abaningi abaconnect illegal lab basebenzisa ama cable lawa ama street lights. Shuthi kumnyama nje Johannesburg eTradini because ama cable la eKenhof. Yabo. Angithi ungabonile. Yabo. Ama cable eTrad agcwele la eKenhof. Yabo. So now well, which is unfortunate because bazenzela provision kagesi but infrastructure on the other hand is getting vandalized. So now mina I always say ukuthi the best way of dealing with informality in Johannesburg is to formalize ama informal areas. Nokuthi ukudila nama illegal connections is to provide permanent services to those areas. So that's the best way yokudila ne informality nama illegal connections. But for us to do it properly nokuthi ama processes ethu singawaflawuthi singasitholi sivula ama projects that have been closed, I think another technical process will then have to be devised so that it assists us ukuthi sikwazi ukudila nale backlog esesinayo manje lana in terms of electrification. So we'll have that discussion now with the team because we have seen ukuthi is situation environment injani on the ground, which is now going to guide us in terms of our own planning. So we've got two options here. One is to go back to Eskom and engage with them. The other one of which it's likely ukuthi bevule project that is closed. But yes, too, would you say recognize as a separate informal settlement and give it another name? And ingabi Ekenhof because immediately Ekenhof to us, now we're done with electrification. And it will be difficult to come back and electrify informal settlements. A city on our books has been electrified. So that is a technical discussion now that we need to have with the team office. Because at least now I understand them on the ground because there was that argument a meeting, good managing gas and Funamupu gas because yeah. So but now because we've seen the extent of the informal settlement now, so it warrants that we get into a discussion once again. Or how do we then deal with the new section of the informal settlements in terms of electrification? Yeah, so we'll have that discussion again with the team office will then advise ukuthi sohamba kanjani. But ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke if a consideration ngoba we are finalizing that report bengikhuluma no director Phumla, she was saying ukuthi la report will be ready this afternoon of all these 180 odd new informal settlements that must be recognized by council in Johannesburg. Yes. So now kuzofuneka decide namhlanje before we sign off that report ngoba we need to understand whether we are giving the new stands a new name or nisabiza ngeEkenhof sibuyela ka Eskom ke siyothi bavula into asebeyivalile. Yabo. So but we need to decide today because if we are giving them a new name, it has to be recognized through that report uphumla ka finalize out today. Okay. They are not the same. Yeah. So and I think I would appreciate if we could have separate discussions. But you see, you are saying Gucci, ama issues are bigger than electricity, and to them the product is electricity, and they won't agree with you. Yeah. So now I think a discussion on top of another discussion might be a challenge to us, in terms of our own engagements with the leadership. but also in terms of our own planning, because you are bringing your priorities, they are bringing their own priorities. Now, that's why I was advising the team, let's separate these two informal settlements. And I was saying that deliberately because I understand your priorities will not be the same. You know, you've got VIP toilets that were constructed. You've got electricity, and they've got none of that. You see? So when you look at so when so now our discussions so because based on the issues that they raised with us, OPC, and the leaders of the old informal settlements were not part of the discussion. So now you've got your issues, they've got their issues, and we came here to address their issues. So particularly, we are not going to isolate our challenges, but we'll need to have a separate discussion so that they are conflict amanyama issues, yes, so that ezokwazi ukuhlukana. So ingakho nje let's have a separate discussion. Ikhona team from the region and from the office. We can arrange for that discussion, a separate discussion bule esinayo njengamanje, so that we attend to their issues separately from your own issues. Yeah.
No, but you also ukuthi it's an umbrella issue. Say if India was to be legalized and formalized, automatically our services will flow. The issue will be just.
That's what I'm saying. It's a process. You see, when you talk formalization, you are talking a process that can take up to 5 years. You see, it's a process on its own, and that's why I always advise you see, one of the office in reblocking. You see, reblocking is part of a process here to upgrade the informal settlement. And before you can even peg a stands, there are certain studies that you must then do so that you peg people in areas that are not environmentally constrained. So now, I appreciate before singangena to any discussion, through the process, workshop through the process, so that you get to have an understanding. Formalize the informal settlement, because it's a process, it's a very long process, and it's got series of activities, and among our understanding, you get frustrated along the way because we very to government even more initiate development. Sometimes it takes a bit of time. Like for example, in Southern Farms, it took 15 years. It took 15 years for us to start installing services. It took government 15 years to plan. It's because planning in a metro, it takes time and it can be frustrating, So, manje, I'm not going to do justice in explaining some of the processes. But second, my questions are, as also kune information empowering ngayo so that you get to have an understanding ukuthi yini nalo ukhuluma ngayo nalento oyifunayo. Yingakho ngithi mina sine team and ngicabanga ukuthi banayi understanding of the issues that you are raising, but kuzofuneka sibe nesikhathi la sowahlala khona phansi so discuss ngoba mina into engayifuni leadership. You see, ngile politician engakwazi ukuvela yenza commitment having not engaged in the process ngoba angikuthanda ukukhuluma amanga. So ngiyengilalela iprocess iqala ngithola technical advice then bese ngikwazi ukucomment. Ngiyazi ke sometimes okunye sithi sikwenzile bese sidelaywa ama issues of budget, sidelaywa ama issues of payments, mhlawumbe uthothi okunye sekutriggerisha ama authorization from national government and all those things. But ngisongo appreciate ukuthi iprocess isuke seyiqalile on the ground ukuthi sikwazi ukusebenza ngoba kuba very difficult uma uzofika uyileadership ufike ebantwini ubanikeze a false hope. Uthi hayi nongizokwenza ukuthi beshaya izandla uhambe kuphele 5 years ungenzanga next. You see, yes, so ingakho mina ngiyengithanda ukuthi sihlale phansi sithathe ne-3 process so that you get to understand and appreciate le process esingena kuyona ukuze in the future ungathi ngakutshena manga kube ukuthi nawe unayi understanding ye process ukuthi process yethu ihamba kanje. So ngifuna siyenze kanjalo. So njengoba nje abaholi bethu bafuna ugesi komunye umuntu bengingaba lulu evela athi hayi so thatha i-cable siyifake ngani, but because I understand ukuthi it's not easy to reopen the a project that has been closed. It's not easy. You see, so there's a process that we need to engage on. But also, kufuneka siyibuke lo process yokuvula i-project noma siyiqala i-application from the start. Ukuthi yiphi process ethi ezoba easy so that sizokwazi ukubasiza ngalo process. If kuyi-process yokuqala eqaleni, let's recognize this section as a new informal settlements. If we can reopen, then let's engage Eskom and reopen. You see, so we need to be guided and advised so that sizokwazi ukwenza i-commitment that we can honor kuma leaders nasekuhlaleni. Yeah, so ngifuna nje siyibambe kanjalo. Yes. No, siyabonga abaholi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nali foreigner refusing to open for bomlungisi Mabaso uma bakokoda lapha nabahamba nemaphoyisa. So le foreigner lalile ekuvula kuleya ndzawo and they are saying ukuthi shuthi khona into lefihlwako lekhona lapha phakathi kwentwa yini ukuthi anqabe ukuvula. If you are not hiding anything ngabe sewuvulile but kuloku kuyakokodwa you don't wanna open and people are saying ukuthi yini leli laphana lengaka lefihlwako. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.